today I'm going to be putting all these 4 cars on the ramp, and whoever gets
5 cars.
Yeah, 5. Let's put these 5 cars on, and we're going to be playing with them. But we don't have the right plane to run here. We used to, but that's why we're going to use it blank with nothing. And let me just do something. Now let's play with them, okay? One day she saw the rocket was driving up, was waiting for the elevator to come down. But no one was in there, so it wouldn't go down, so he drove. And he went up here. Backwards driving. He's going here. He's driving. Help!
Oh no! You hit them by accident.
Dun dun dun. Huh? It's gonna move automatic, June. It moves automatic. Yay!
Cool drifts.
Kabuto did that around the Mater when Mater thought he was going to win. And Mater did. And look what he did. Let's go. Let's take this. He's going to go down here.
What about all the other cars? We need to use them.
He's sure he's coming to park. And welcome to Kenzea's review. I forgot that.
You forgot that at the beginning, yeah.
Drivers in the middle. So let's do Lightning McQueen. So he went through the elevator, he went down the elevator, driving backwards, like Mater does. Mater's really good at doing back drive, isn't he, kids?
Yeah.
And She-Hulk and Lightning did the same. Drifting. Cool drift, huh?
Yeah.
He's going down the road. Now, Max Chanel! Kids, Max Chanel! He's driving up the elevator, going backward. Do you like the back bit, kids, at the back? Do you? I love the back bit. Do you, kids?
Yeah.
I like the back bit too. Driving up. What? He flipped here again. He's driving up the elevator. He's going forwards like this. He's a cool little ice racer car, isn't he, kids? Do you like the number 4 on him? Kids, you know, the flag is right at the top here. This is the Russian flag.
No, that's not Russian. That's German.
Yeah. like the Japanese one. Going down.
Today we're going to a party, so we might be able to record some footage of the party if we can sneak it in.
Now we've got Joe. Now she's going through the elevator. Going backwards. Drifting. Now we've got a cheeky one. Kabuto, the cheeky guy. He's climbing up the elevator. He's going to pee. Rush!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Rush!
That was so fast I couldn't even catch it on camera. It's so hard to
This is how he did the drifting around later. That's how he did
Let
it.
me try and see how we did.
He did it. He did this for his drift formator.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, he just did that. Go down. What? Kabuto.
Whoa!
No. That's better.
There. There's 5 cars there, kids. Count them.
Okay, Kabuto goes down. We've got Miguel Camino.
Going to Silver Edition Miguel Camino now.
The red, everything else is the same, but except for that silver.
Yeah. Are these your favourite cars?
Yeah,
This entire review?
yeah.
So these are your favourites. So what cars over here are your favourites?
Just Komodo is my favorite because he can glow. That's why. Miguel Camino.
I would expect from a Grand Prix racer. I nearly said Grand Prix racer. Grand Prix.
He's really fast, kids. He's going down. Great. No. And he's going to parking. He's got my favorite Komodo!
And then we have one more after this.
Kabuto Ninja!
Yeah.
He's glowing. He's
He's
glowing.
shining in the light behind us.
He's glowing.
In the light behind us.
He's glowing.
It's a good day today.
Look, he's glowing. Drifting.
That's cool.
He has one big pipe and moves of like crocodile stripes there. Can you see the
scaly patterns?
Can you see the crocodile patterns, kids?
Yeah, look at that scale.
That's the he's a crocodile car. Komodo is
Oh,
crocodile car.
because crocodile is one of your favourite animals.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! He's going through the wash because he's dirty. He's going through the wash.
Into the car park.
we'll do even better one.
Whoa!
Oh, he got stuck.
Whoa!
Whoa! Do you want to see the back of him, kids? Does that look like a cool
Look,
back?
he's backwards driving through the car wash.
Can you see it? Does the back look cool?
Yeah.
He's going through. Yeah.
Now I'm going to say bye to the kids now, Kenzie.
Yeah. Bye. If you want more Kenzea toys with you and family with you, check out my channel. Bye. See you later. Bye. If you want more Kenzea toys with you, bye. Kenzea, please subscribe and press the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the subscribe button for lots more toys and like
Stuff.
cars and stuff and Lego blocks and stuff. And we've even got some Legos if you want to see me play Lego.
We're gonna, if we get 210 subscribers, then we'll do a Lego video. Yeah?
Yeah. But we can just do one. We can do one.
But we'll have to do it soon. So let's say bye bye.